Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, August 17, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hi, David. I'm doing okay. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a busy day?
Yeah, I've got a big meeting to prepare for. What about you?
Oh, the usual. A bunch of sales calls to make. Hey, did you hear about that US and China news? They paused some tariff hikes.
Really? That sounds like a big deal.
Yeah, I saw it on CNN. It's good for business, don't you think?
Definitely. It means less worry about costs for now?
I hope it helps me close more deals. Price jumps scare clients away.
I get that. Stable trade helps with planning projects too.
For sure, we need less drama in the market.
Agree. Let's hope this pause sticks for a while.
Fingers crossed. It's one less headache for us.
True. It's nice to have some good news for a change.
Totally. Hey, speaking of news, did you see that tech update?
Which one? I've been swamped with work?
It's about new teamwork apps or tools. I read it on the Washington Post.
Oh, yes. I think I saw something about that. New apps for better workflow?
Yeah, that's it. Sounds cool, but I'm not a tech guy.
Don't worry. They're made to be easy, I think.
Good to hear. I'm always lost with new computer stuff.
I know the feeling, but it might save us time.
I hope so. My inbox is a mess every day.
Same here. Maybe this app will help us stay organized?
That'd be a miracle. I'm drowning in emails.
Tell me about it. Let's give it a try and see.
Deal? If it works, I owe you a coffee.
I'll hold you to that. Let's see how it goes.
Hey, did you catch that other story? It's about culture or trends.
No, I missed it. What's it about?
It's a piece from the New York Times. People are into old school hobbies now.
Oh, like what? That sounds interesting.
Stuff like knitting or playing board games. A break from screens, I guess.
That makes sense. Too much tech can be tiring.
Yeah, I'm on my phone way too much. Might try a game night.
Good idea. I remember playing board games as a kid.
Same. It's kind of fun to go back to that stuff.
It is. It's a nice way to relax after a long day.
For sure. Work stress is enough without more screen time.
Haha, so true. We need something to unplug.
Hey, have you ever tried knitting or anything like that?
Not really, but my grandma used to knit. I might ask her for tips.
Cool. I'm more into games, but who knows?
You should try something new. It's good for the mind.
Maybe I will. Gotta balance all this office chaos.
Exactly. A little fun keeps us going.
Huh? You're right. Hey, how's your project coming along?
It's okay. Just a lot of small things to fix. How are your sales?
Not bad. I've got a new client to call today.
That's great. Good luck with that.
Thanks. Gotta keep the numbers up, you know?
I know. Keep pushing. You're doing well.
Appreciate it. Hey, did you finish that big report yet?
Almost there. Just need a couple of quiet hours.
Good luck finding quiet in this office. It's always noisy.
So true. I might hide in the break room.
Smart plan? Hey, back to that trade news. You think it'll last long?
Hard to tell. Things change fast in politics.
Yeah. 1 minute it's good, next it's a mess, so annoying.
It is, but for now it's a small win for us.
Hope it helps my sales pitch. Clients hate surprises.
I bet. Stable prices make everyone's job easier.
Exactly. Let's hope for no bad news soon.
Same here. We could use a smooth few weeks.
Hey, about that tech app, you gonna download it soon?
I think so. It might help my team stay on track.
Nice. Let me know if it's worth the hassle, okay?
Sure thing. I'll give you the details after I try it.
Thanks. I'm clueless with tech. Need the help?
No worries. We're all figuring it out step by step.
True. I just don't want more work because of it.
I don't think it will. It's supposed to make things faster.
Good to know. I'll trust you on this one.
I'll do my best. Let's see how it works.
Hey, about that hobby trend, you got any plans to try it?
Maybe a game night with friends? It sounds fun.
Cool. I might do the same with some old buddies.
Nice. Tell me how it goes, okay?
Will do. We need a laugh after all this work.
For sure. It's all about finding some balance.
Totally. Work hard, play hard, right?
Exactly. A little fun goes a long way.
Hey, do you think hobbies help with stress?
I think so. It's a good way to clear your head.
Yeah, I need that. Too many deadlines lately.
Same here. A hobby might be just what we need.
I'm sold. Let's both try something and compare notes.
Deal? It'll be fun to see what we pick.
Yeah, maybe I'll surprise you with knitting.
I'd love to see that. Don't forget to show me.
You got it. Hey, how's your team doing with work?
They're okay, just busy like always. How's your sales team?
Pretty good. We're hitting some targets this month.
That's awesome. Keep up the great work.
Thanks. Gotta stay on top of things.
You will. You've got the energy for it.
I try. Coffee helps a lot.
Haha, same here. This stuff is a lifesaver.
Hey, speaking of trade again, do you think clients notice this stuff?
Some do, especially if prices change. It affects their budgets.
Yeah, I've had a few ask about costs lately. So tricky.
I know. This pause might calm things down for them.
Hope so. I just want happy clients.
Me too. Happy clients mean less stress for us.
Exactly. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Agreed. No surprises, please.
Hey, coffee's almost done. Time to get moving.
Yeah, I've got that deadline to hit. See you later?
Yup, maybe at lunch. Have a good one.
You too, David. Take it easy.
Always do. Catch you around.
See you. Good luck with those calls.
Thanks. Good luck with your meeting.
Appreciate it. Talk soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.